A gentle morning in the countryside, where every purr carries the promise of a simple joy.
Every day begins with warmth, laughter, and the scent of freshly baked bread.
Today was no ordinary day. Today, the cat family had plans. An adventure to the town market.
Everyone, I've got a surprise for you.
What is it, dear?
A map! A treasure map!
For the little ones, even a simple trip held the wonder of discovery.
This path is quite lovely.
I know, it truly is.
Look, a butterfly.
The countryside sang with life. Buzzing bees, rustling leaves, and the laughter of those who truly belonged.
Moments like these were small, but in them lived the heart of family.
Fresh fruits, finest silks, and the most exquisite toys. Come one, come all.
In the heart of the village, every scent, every sound felt like a song of life.
Look, they're so excited. Oh, those two.
Children, like spring, rush toward joy with open hearts.
For Luna, beauty was in the simple things, in colors, textures, and the warmth of her family's laughter.
Fresh bread and herbs, straight from the oven and garden. Come get yours.
Bye now. Take care, little ones.
That was a kind vendor.
Look at the flowers, Mom.
They walked slowly, savoring the little moments that built their world.
Even the water seemed to smile today.
A brief rest wait, and a reminder that love is often served in quiet corners.
Sometimes, even in happiness, we remember those we misdeviate, the moments that shaped us.
Oh, it's just like I remember it.
Yes, the smell of apple pie.
Oh, a little spill.
And just like that, love returned her to now living. Simple, perfect, real.
Oh, clumsy me. Always, dear.
Look at this. It can project a miniature galaxy.
Afternoons in the countryside were painted with gold and peace.
Music Hilo, the invisible thread that ties hearts together.
That was great!
Oh, you did it! So funny.
Their laughter filled the street like sunshine spilling through clouds.
Just giving me a good deal.
Oh, come on. You know this is a bargain.
Would you like these white daisies, ma'am?
Yes, they are lovely.
Some flowers fade, some last. But memories, they bloom forever.
I'm glad they are enjoying themselves.
Yes, it's nice to see them play.
Evening approached, a tender whisper over their happy day.
They carried no treasure, only time by, and that was enough.
Oh, wow.
Night had come, not as an end, but as a lullaby.
Songs of love never really fade, they change form.
Every home holds stories, whispers of joy, traces of time.
Look what I got!
Oh, that's an interesting looking toy.
Tiny things, yet each one a memory in the making.
In that light, love itself seemed to glow.
Oh,
looks delicious, everyone!
Let's enjoy our dinner.
The day had begun with laughter and ended with peace.
Little hearts full, little paws weary.
Tomorrow would come, bringing new wonders to Circe, but tonight they rested in love.
The countryside slept, wrapped in serenity and dreams.
Families are like stars. Even apart, they shine together.
And somewhere in that quiet night, the cat family's hearts beat in perfect harmony.
Another day waits on it. Another chance to love, to laugh, to live.
Even the flowers seemed to remember.
The countryside held its breath, keeping their story safe until morning.
And with every sunrise came gratitude meek for another day together.
The cycle begins again, as life always does, Paul. Warm, tender, and true.
Steam rises, laughter echoes, the same melody of love, renewed.
Because happiness isn't found in great things, but in small ones, shared together.
constant.
And so, their story continues on. Simple, heartfelt, everlasting.
For the cat family, every day was a gift wrapped in love.